Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Mokgadi. I'm from Harankua and I'm running Computers for Kids. I'm actually a licensee from Computers for Kids in Harankua. I joined Computers for Kids in 2022. The reason why I started computer lessons for kids is because of the gap that we have in the townships for our kids to learn how to use computers. Most of them, they struggle. If you go to internet cafes, for example, in the afternoons, you'll find kids flocking in there. They want to be helped with projects and all that. However, they have to wait for the person who's running the internet cafe to come and help them out. They can't even go and navigate in the system and say, okay, no, this is what I'm looking for, and then I can just print it out. So that's when I saw that there's a gap and I need to bridge that gap. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're teaching the kids from ages of 4, which is the preschoolers. And then we go from, then when you go to primary school, it's a primary school curriculum, so which starts with grade R until grade 7. High school, we do grade 10, grade 8 until grade 10. Then the grade 11 and 12, they do the adult curriculum. And then in our curriculum, what happens is they've got, we actually teach them according to the grades that they're in. So if a child is in grade 7, they're going to do the grade 7 work. So whatever that they're doing at school, it's linked with what we're doing. It's not exactly the same, but it's like a booster of what they're doing at school. Look, it's different in a sense that when you look at other computer lessons, it's just for you to know how to use spreadsheets and all that. It's basic. So with us, it's different because it's integrated with our curriculum. So whatever that they're doing at school, it's an addition of whatever that they're doing at school. So they don't have to, as a parent, you don't have to worry that, you know what, they only concentrating on that, but at least what it's also boosting them in terms of extra work. On Facebook, I'm on Bonanuza NPC. X, it's also Bonanuza NPC, and my telephone numbers are 067 921 9606. Hi, my name is Mokgadi and I'm a township entrepreneur.